After America's attack on Iran's nuclear sites, Iran has now decided to retaliate by closing the Strait of Hormuz. The Strait of Hormuz is a crucial energy choke point through which over 17 million barrels of oil pass daily, making it most important energy passage in the world. If this strait is closed, not only Iran but also Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Kuwait, Qatar, and the UAE will see their oil export come to a halt. And when oil export stop, consider it as the engine of the world economy beginning to stall. This means every single person across the globe will feel its impact. The Strait of Hormuz is a 35-kilometer wide sea route between Iran and Oman, connecting the Persian Gulf to Arabian Sea. This is the route through which Arab nations export their oil worldwide. Around 20 to 30% of the world's total oil supply passes through here daily. If Iran forcibly shut down the Strait of Hormuz, approximately $0.5 billion worth of oil per day or $44 billion per month would be cut off from global supply. And it's not just oil, Qatar's LNG is also exported through this route. If this happens, international oil markets will witness a massive surge in prices because demand for oil from other exporting countries such as the US and Russia would increase by 20 to 30%. Oil prices could instantly shoot up to $150 to $200 per barrel, causing petrol, diesel, and gas prices to spike worldwide. But the big question is, can Iran actually block this 35-kilometer wide sea route? Looking back at history, Iran has repeatedly threatened to close the Strait of Hormuz but has never fully done so. In 2008, tensions were high, similar to what we are seeing today. When US and Iranian warship clashed near the Strait of Hormuz, at that time Iran warned, if we are attacked, we will shut down the strait. Back then too, panic spread across the international market, but Iran never went through with a complete blockade. Iran did not shut it down in 2011 and 2012. The US imposed sanctions on Iran's oil exports. At that time, Iran also threatened to close the Strait of Hormuz, but the US warned that it would be considered as an act of war. The result was the Iran did not close the strait but conducted naval exercises there. In 2019, a similar incident occurred when the US declared the IRGC, Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, as a terrorist group. In a response, Iran detained a tanker and also shut down a US RQ-4 drone. However, the strait was never fully closed. Only during the 1980s Iran-Iraq war, Iran attacked Kuwaiti tankers in the Persian Gulf because it was supporting Iraq in the war. But the US intervened and the US Navy began escorting Kuwaiti ships at that time. Even then, the Strait of Hormuz was never completely closed. This proved that although Iran often threatened to shut down the Strait of Hormuz during conflict, it cannot actually do so. Not only would it violate international law, but it would also cause significant harm to Iran itself.